Hey everyone, today's prompt engineering tip is about creating flashcards with fill-in-the-blank prompts using Edcafe's flashcard feature. So with this, you can see on the front of our card, we have a sentence along with our different options for the blank at the end of the sentence. When we flip it over, we have the correct answer along with an image and an explanation here. So to create these fill-in-the-blanks flashcards, let's go to Create New. We'll click on our flashcards icon here. For our topic, we're just going to use anatomy. And then for our template, let's change this to fill in the blanks. And on the front of our card, we want to add some special instructions to include those answer choices. So let's just enter here and we will add in our 3 sets of words in parentheses as possible correct answers for our students to choose from. From there, let's add an image to the back of the card so that they can see an image of the correct answer and we can generate our flashcards. So you guys can use this step with your own topics or anything that you need, because just like that, the contents of our flashcards are ready to go. So we have our sentence, our 3 different options along with that correct answer there. So we can make this interactive once we save our flashcards. So save that onto your device, click on the AI button here. We'll give it a quick name and we can save it in our library. Once saved, to make that interactive and share it with students so that they can participate and study with these flashcards synchronously or asynchronously, click on Assign. We can copy this link and you can share it with students by pasting it in, and students can shuffle up the cards. They can also listen to those flashcards or swap that front and back for a little bit harder practice with those flashcards.